The status bar located below the sheet tabs at the bottom of the screen often contains the word Ready in the lower left-hand corner. If you're entering data, you'll see the word Enter there. But many other indicators can appear in the status bar. Off to the right, you will see 3 buttons for different kinds of views: normal, page layout, and page break preview. And to the right of that, you'll see a zoom slider bar. We might want to zoom in on this worksheet to see the data large and clear that way, or we may want to zoom back and see more data, although not nearly as large. But as we do different things using Excel, other indicators might pop up as well. I might be typing and might want to use the caps lock key, and I'll click it. Or maybe I did that by mistake. In the lower left-hand corner, we see the term caps lock. As you select data, now I might be interested in the revenue, the total revenue here, and by clicking column I, suddenly quite a few numbers appear at the bottom of the screen. I know immediately that total revenue here for 2012 is over 22 million, and it's showing me the maximum, the minimum, and a count of how many entries, and the average, and quite a few bits of information that I'm really interested in. If you highlight 2 or more cells in Excel, you will see at the bottom of the screen some of these indicators, although possibly you could have turned them off. And so if you click with the right mouse button anywhere in the status bar, you will see a rather large selection of checkboxes with a number of features here, and you want to explore these from time to time. If you want to be notified if you've accidentally clicked the numlock key, then turn that checkbox on. The numbers that I just referred to at the bottom of the screen are in this section right here. Do you find these valuable? You might leave them all checked and then over time say, I don't use count very much. I don't need that. So we won't see that at the bottom of the screen as we highlight data. I'd say leave them on for a while and then come back and explore this every so often. Think of how handy it is when you're looking at a large list here. If you know your data well enough, if there's nothing else in the column, how many items did we sell this year? We'll click column H. Well, we sold, and it's kind of hard to read without commas, but how many items did we sell? 389,000 items. And so it's a handy feature. The status bar gives us a lot of good information, and from time to time, do right-click on it and consider which of these options, which of these indicators you do want to have active.